Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. This is a campsite tour, but I'm recording this introduction at home. We had a bit of a filming glitch while we were away, so I wasn't able to record an introduction on the day. Sutton-on-Sea is on the Lincolnshire coast, a little bit south of Mablethorpe, and further down the coast is Skegness. We're in an area that's called the Lincolnshire Coastal Country Park. There is a nature reserve, which means it's great for walking, bird watching, etc. There's also a number of fairly new visitor attractions dotted along the coast, and they really are spectacular and make the very best of this coastline. So I'd recommend hanging on to the end of the video to see those. In terms of the campsite, it's a fairly compact little site in a quite residential area. So what I'll do now is show you the map of the site and explain the route we're going to take, and then we'll do the tour. So this is the map of the Sutton-on-Sea Club campsite. There are overall 99 pitches, 15 serviced, mostly hard standing, but you'll see some grass pitches around the outside of the site. Come in through the entrance towards reception, then we'll turn to the left following the outer edge of the site, past the service pitches and around until we reach the back of the site. We'll turn left and have a look down the end of this row of pitches, because that's where the children's play area is and a route out to the public footpath. Then we'll come back along the back of the site and round back towards reception, which is also where there's an information hut, and we'll have a quick look in there before turning right, then going along to the facilities block, and we'll have a look round and finish the tour there. So we're coming down the road to the site entrance, turning left with reception straight ahead. It's a lovely entrance to the site, which I've obviously spent a lot of time tending and looking after. We'll then take the left round the outside of the site. Those pitches on the right are the service pitches. Coming down past the service point here on the right. Following round, moving further away from the entrance road. Coming down to the back of the site. Take this left. You'll see the children's play area straight in front of us, and then down on the right is the footpath. Coming back now along the edge of the site, lots of good sized pitches all around this site. This is one of the areas with the grass pitches. We're Now coming back to reception. As with many Caravan and Motorhome Club sites, the waste bins are here at the entrance on the left, and this is the information room, a really good size, lots of information covering all of the attractions in the locality. We've now come back past reception, going down to the facilities block. I think this is an updated facilities block. Has a dishwashing area, chemical waste point. It's also where the motorhome service point is located. Also dog and bike wash. We'll have a look around the gents facilities. You've got the normal toilets, sinks, standard Caravan and Motorhome Club style showers, as well as hand basins. It also has a laundry, 2 washers and 2 dryers, as well as 3 sinks. Well, I hope you found that useful. It is a nice little site with all the facilities you'd expect from a Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Also, because of the location, it's a really good base to explore what we found to be a really interesting section of coastline. I do have some more campsite tours coming up, but until then, bye for now. Bye.